You are watching Learn With Me channel. I am Malik Chowdhury, your host. In today's video, we have another verbal problem which need to be solved by converting the given information into linear equation and solving it as we did in the last video. And if you haven't watched the last video, I'll give the link in the description of this video. You may pause the video at this point and try to have a go first. Let's go through the solution. The problem is the worker is paid £50 for each day he works, and is fined £25 for each day he fails to come to work. After 20 days, he is paid £700. And we have to answer, for how many days has he worked? Okay, first of all, let's suppose that he worked X number of days. That's the first one. And then the number of days he fails to come to work is, suppose, well, no, not suppose, it will be number of days fails to come to work then will be 20 days minus the X, that many days. Okay, the next bit of information is that he's paid £50 per day. So he will be paid £50 times X pounds. And the next bit is he will be fined £25 times 20 minus X pounds. Now if you look at it, that whatever he's paid, then he paid 50X, and then it will be taken out of this 50X, 25 into 20 minus X. This time it will be minus, not plus. The fine will be minus from his income. So if we collect it together, so he'll be paid total payment to him will be 50x minus 25, 20 minus x equal pound 700. That's what you get at the end. Now that is a linear equation. We have to solve this one. So it'll be, if we put it in here, again 50x minus, if we solve this bracket, it'll be 25 times 20, 500, minus, remember the outside bracket is minus, so minus 25 times minus x, so it'll be plus 25x, which is now equal to 700 pound. And this now, we don't need this minus 500 in here. We want to cancel this 500 from here. So if we add on both sides 500 plus 500 to both sides, add 5 plus 500 to both sides of the equation, then it'll be 50x minus 500 plus 500 plus 25x equal pound 700 minus, sorry, plus 500 plus 500. So this minus 500 and this plus 500 cancel. So we're left with 50x plus 25x equal 700 plus 500 is 1200. Now that'll be 2050 and 25x will be 75x, and that is equal to 1200, and then x, remember that x is being multiplied with 75, so 75 goes on the other side and divides, and we can do cancellation. How many 25s are in 75? 3 of them. And how many are in there? 48 25s. And then 48 over 3. And then finally 16 days. So that's our answer. 16 days. So we have converted the problem into equation and then we solved it. I hope you have picked up the technique of converting verbal problems to equations, and you enjoyed the solution. And don't forget to subscribe the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.